When I hear claims about devices needing specific locations or being more effective in certain places, I don't immediately think of science fiction. The idea is that some places on Earth are already unusual, places where the environment feels different, where energy, space, or even time doesn't behave the same way it does everywhere else. According to several people who spoke about this over the years, these places already existed in nature. The device wasn't meant to create anything new, but to work with what was already there. Think of it like this. If there's a river underground, the device doesn't create the river, it just helps you access it. In these accounts, the Stargate device worked like a tool. It helped focus energy or conditions in a specific place so that access became possible. That's why location was so important. The same setup wouldn't work everywhere. It had to be used in the right place. People describe this technology as allowing movement through space and time, but not in a simple or casual way. It wasn't like stepping through a door and going anywhere you want. It was more like following certain paths that already existed. That's why the idea of Stargate is often linked to specific sites, not random locations. The environment itself was part of the system, and this isn't a new idea. Throughout history, different cultures talked about specific places on Earth as being different, locations where something felt off, where navigation, perception, or even time itself didn't behave the same way. For a long time, those stories were dismissed as myths or symbolism, but modern science does acknowledge that certain regions of the planet have unusual electromagnetic properties, areas where signals behave differently, where instruments act strangely. So when I hear claims about devices needing specific locations or being more effective in certain places, I don't immediately think of science fiction. I think about geography, physics, and how little we understand about the environment around us.